up, guys? We are on the creek. Just got loaded down for a little kayak trip. It's gonna be the last one for the summer.
It's not really summer anymore.
Yeah, what is it?
It's more in the fall, summer.
Almost.
But it's still,
We're right here at the end of August, so
I'm starting school, so basically,
yeah, we got school and baseball and hunting season coming up. So
all that stuff.
this is gonna be the last excursion on the creek. So we're gonna try to make it count.
Until we go kayak fishing.
Yep. We're gonna see if we can catch some cat, some bass, maybe some brim. Maybe. Well, let's get to it. Give it a second.
Hope we don't get anything here until we move.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give it until you reel it up, and if I don't get anything, I'm gonna reel it up, okay? Daddy.
Okay. Oh.
No.
Got one. Whoa. Whoa.
Bite him.
It might be a... Oh, he came off. God, that's a good one too.
What were you about to say? Was he about to pull you in?
He was pulling us.
Well, there was a school of minnows chasing it, and I ain't catching minnows. Daddy. That good, Daddy? That good for now? See if that works?
Yeah.
And if I don't catch anything after you release...
Oh, there he is.
You got the hook? Ooh, baby, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh! Oh, baby, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That's a good one.
Oh, yeah. Now that is a good one. I'm gonna guarantee you that is probably what almost... No. Jeez, should have got that on film.
That's a pretty one.
Did you get that on film?
Yeah.
How will we release it? Do you think that's the biggest one we've ever caught here?
He's at least a pound. That's a toad, man. Here, grab him by the mouth.
You gonna weigh him?
Can you get the scale?
If you can hold him.
No.
If you hold him, I'll get the scale.
Is it on?
Just hold this one up. How heavy is he? Show me.
1 pound, 1 ounce.
No.
Told you he was a pound. All right, let him go.
Okay.
Nice and easy, don't throw him. Whoa.
You don't have to get angry, okay?
I'll make an exit.
He's an angry elf. Tell me when can we move, okay?
Throw a few with that, you'll catch something. There's bass here. Oh, I just jumped right in front of you.
Got him.
Did you?
Yep.
Nice. Get him up. That's a good little bass. Nice, buddy. I told you. Here, I'll pull the pole back.
Okay.
Alright, you got him?
Hopefully.
Get him. Grab him, Colby. He's gonna jump out.
Yeah.
Colby, you're gonna have to grab it, dude.
He took...
Grab him by the mouth. Stick your finger in. There you go. Don't drop him.
He was there the whole time.
I told you. What did I say?
Can I cast again when I'm done?
Yeah, let me,
Wait.
not bad. What you think? About half a pound, a little more?
Probably. Not as big as yours, but still big.
That's a good one. Kind of took a second, didn't he?
Yeah. Here you go. Please say my worm's still on there.
Took your worm.
Hope I still got worms.
Oh, got him right here by the kayak.
Ah! My eye! Is that the same one I caught?
It's pretty similar.
Are you sure it's not the same one I caught?
I don't know. But it's a butte. It's a butte, Clark. He hit it right here by the kayak.
And you hold it. How about that? If I cast this. Yeah.
Joker's fat.
Yeah. Can I hold him?
Another good one.
Can I hold him?
Yeah. Get your thumb down in there.
Daddy.
There you go. Put him in right there, nice and easy. Twirl him around a little bit in the water first. There you go.
That one went off combos and all of the others.
Yep.
Can you cast it under there? Hang on.
He said, see you later, guys. Thanks for a little release.
May want to back up so I can't show it. It won't. Please. Wait, guys, please. Can you cast it under there for me this time? Too much blessed this time. I don't want to cast. Oh, it's under that tree. Okay. Where's my bobbles?
Chet.
Our bobbles right there, I think.
Take your worm.
Oh, I got something. Got something. Cat. Oh!
Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Bring it over here.
I'm trying.
Looks like a bass. Oh, that's a big old bass, Colby. Easy, don't break the line. Don't break the line.
That's a big old one.
Bring him right. Golly, Colby, that's a hog. Careful, careful. Here, let's get closer to shore. Oh, man, almost had him. Oh my God, Colby, that's gonna be your PB.
Oh my God.
Come here. Here, right here. Oh my. Oh, Colby. Oh. You just caught a freaking tank. Oh my gosh. Dude, you need two hands. This one's gonna go in the water if you don't. Oh my Lord.
Is that the biggest one we've ever caught?
Dude, you need to weigh that one.
You want to get the scale?
Golly, what a toad, man.
I told you he was big.
Here. We need to get out of the water or something. Here. So. It's a freaking monster, dude. Oh my gosh!
How heavy is that thing? Is that the biggest one we've caught here?
Absolutely, that is a freaking tank, man. Get the scale.
It's behind you, you know.
Okay, hang on.
That's a tank.
I swear, I thought he was gonna break the line. I saw him, I was like, oh my goodness, Colby, that is a toad.
I thought that was a giant cat.
That just made the trip, didn't it?
Yes. How heavy is it?
He's 3 pounds and 3 ounces. Dude, that's a tank. That's your PB right there. You've been wanting to catch a big one.
Yes.
That is a toad of a fish, man. I gotta get your picture.
I think we need to get out of water.
All right, well, hurry. You're gonna have to hold him with 2 hands down here. Got him?
Got him.
Let me see.
That's a big tank.
Let me see if I can get somewhere real quick.
That's a tank. That thing's huge.
Yeah.
When I get out, can you hold him? That is a stud. Can you hold him so I can get out?
Yeah.
That is a toad.
Let me see. I'm gonna get him in the water real quick so he doesn't die.
Okay. That's huge.
Dude! Freaking river monster.
You mean creek monster?
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's where my foot is.
Need to go a little further.
Okay.
Dude, what do you think?
That's our baby for sure. We need to mount that. We need to get a picture of that on the fridge.
Oh, we will.
Is that good?
Yeah, you want me to get a picture with the good camera?
Oh yeah.
We'll keep him in the water then. That's a monster, dude. That's such a good fish, man. I'm so happy for you.
My shoe's stuck and I can't get it out.
It's all right. You ready to let him go?
Let me get out.
Dude, that's freaking awesome. How happy are you right now?
Really happy.
You caught a freaking creek monster. Freaking 3-pounder.
Three
All right, we need to start getting them in so we don't die. Bring them over here.
That is a toad.
Okay.
I want to keep them in here to let them grow.
There you go. Good thinking.
I want to let them grow.
There he goes. There he goes, look at him. Give me something there. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Was that exciting or what? Oh man, I'm so freaking excited for you.
Let's go.
Alright. Let me zip all this up and let's hit the old dusty trail. I think we just need to end the video on that note. We're just gonna paddle straight back since we got so far. Colby with his PB. How you feeling?
Epic.
Epic?
Yes.
Now you got something to strive for. Now you got a bigger fish you got to catch.
Yeah.
Dude, how about that? You caught that with a freaking live worm and a bobber. He hammered it too, didn't he?
Even with a small hook. With a small hook too.
With a small hook. I mean, let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. We're dipping out. It's about lunchtime. We got a long way to go, so I don't think we're gonna do much fishing heading back. We're just gonna go straight back. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all on the next one. Tell everybody.
Except for that big bass.
Anything you want to say though? All right. Say adios.
Adios.